It's going to be the Half Yard Sewing Club's birthday weekend at the end of August. Can you believe we're 8 years old? So to celebrate, we're having a live stream on the Half Yard Sewing Club website on Saturday the 29th at 4, on the 30th at 4, and on Monday the 31st at 4. The Saturday live stream will be a sew along, and we're going to sew our lavender pouches so we can all sit and do a little bit of hand sewing together, which will be wonderful. And on each one of those days, I'm going to give away 2 prizes. These are they behind me. There's Liberty cushion covers, there's bags from Susie Duncan, and we've got a cushion cover from Melissa Naylor, and this side we've got the quilt here as well. So those are all going to be giveaways to members only. And then on the Sunday we'll have an interview with Kaz Wilson, who was the winner of the Great British Sewing Bee 2025, and Mia Hansen has filmed a chat for us as well. She is the author of Sewing the Bayeux Tapestry, and that will be on the Monday on the 31st. So we've got lots going on over the weekend. I hope you can join us, and if you're not a member as yet and you want to take part in the celebrations being with the chance of winning any of these prizes, then do take a look at the details in the description box below. I hope to see you there.